What's up, everybody? Dang it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. I've been having a little bit of an issue with the Terminator, just a little bit, as when I drive around a little while and I would get off the accelerator, it would come down to about 2,000 RPMs and just hang there and just stay right there till I came to a complete stop. I've been working with Walt No-No a little bit, trying to help me troubleshoot this bad boy. And of course, y'all know Walt No-No as in SN95 Power, the power channel. Yes, awesome guy, full of knowledge. Y'all need to go check him out. His Instagram is right there on the screen, and YouTube channel also as well. But he's been helping me diagnose the problem on this thing, and he wanted me to adjust a couple of things, and I checked it out, and I come to find out that my throttle position sensor was bad.
Why don't you take that piece of back to the junkyard?
So appreciate that, Walt No-No. Thanks for the help. You know, I will be getting with you later on, definitely, about this bad boy right here. But I'm replacing the throttle position sensor. It's very easy to replace on the Terminator Cobra. 2 bolts, take it out, unplug it, plug the new one in. I'm not going to record doing that, but plus I already put it in. I already put it in because it was so easy to do. Didn't really want to bore y'all with that. But what I am going to do is adjust the TPS voltage. I will have y'all along for the ride on that. And so as we do that, I'm going to show you exactly what system I'm using and what I got going on. As you can see, throttle position sensor, very easy to take out. Remove these 2 bolts, disconnect this line right here. Nothing really to show. All right? So what we are going to do is adjust the voltage. And what I got HP tuners. And what it says in HP tuners is that my throttle position absolute voltage, that's what I need to check. I think it's absolute voltage. If not, I'll put it there on the screen what it should be. But if I'm not mistaken, it's throttle position absolute voltage. And it's supposed to be between 195 and 200. And right now, mine is sitting at 201. So I got to do a little bit of an adjustment. And only thing it says to do, and I don't really have a whole lot of adjustment, it's very, very sensitive, is that you loosen the 2 bolts and turn it ever so slightly, and you'll see a difference in the voltage. Either you raise it up or lower it. Since mine is a little high, I'm gonna try to lower it down. So we're gonna go and loosen those 2 bolts, turn it a little bit, and see what we got. And as you can see right there, where it says throttle position, it's supposed to be absolute voltage. I think that's what it is. If not, I'll put it on the screen what it should be. But that's what I got to look at. And to see right now, I'm bouncing between 200 and 201. So I got to get that voltage down to at least 200, but I'm going to try to shoot for 199. We just got to take these 2 bolts right here and loosen them up and turn it to have the voltage drop. So I'm going to put you down because I can't really hold this camera, but I'll show you exactly which way I turned it and what happened. Oh, there is one thing I do want to mention about when you mount the TPS in your new Cobra. Mount the new TPS into your Cobra. There's one thing I do want to mention, is that when you initially mount it, you want to mount it slightly counterclockwise to the bolt holes that you're going to line up to. You want to do it slightly counterclockwise, and then when you put it in, you turn it clockwise till the bolt holes match up. I did want to mention that because you can put this thing in the opposite way and it will never come in. But as I said, do that and you're already on your way. All right, boys and girls, moment of truth. Did I get that voltage down to between 195 and 200 as it said it's supposed to be? At least if you're going by a computer, that's what it's going to be on there. This is a lot easier than setting it up by using the voltmeter. If you got a computer or a plug-in, very easy. A lot easier to manage. But here's what I got. I was able to get it down to bouncing around between 197 and 198. So I'm in good shape. Voltage is okay right now. And one more thing I did want to ask or talk to y'all about too. This right here came up and I had to do a little bit of research on it to find out that I might have another problem. Right there. Wonder what's going on with that. Yes, that is water. And I was just messing with y'all. That is not a problem. It's actually condensation from inside the motor making its way up there, and it's basically doing what it's designed to do. Take all the air, oil, everything else out of the air system. But no, that's not even really a problem. That is okay. I did a little research to find out that is okay. So, all right, that's it, y'all. I want to give a definite special shout out to Walt No SN95 Power. He helped me out on this thing a lot, and I don't think I would have found it if it wasn't for him. So y'all go check his channel out, subscribe to his channel. He's got some good informational content that y'all can definitely use. But again, thanks Walt No. Appreciate that. That's gonna be it for me today. We'll catch y'all in the next one.